I had these great GM windows installed in 2011. The process was great. They came in, they measured, they showed me how the window would look, gave me an idea, and all of a sudden, magic, there were the new windows. The last hurricane we had was quite a hurricane, and let me tell you, I didn't have to worry at all. I could barely even hear the sound of the hurricane. And looking out these windows and seeing everything that was blowing around made me even feel better and secure in my house. A few months ago, I had an attempted break-in, and now I know that I'm not only hurricane safe, but I'm also robbery and vandal safe. 3 windows were attempted to be broken into. They were not penetrated, and the windows were replaced by GM windows and doors promptly. And I appreciated that very much, and I felt very secure having those windows protect me. As a result of that attempted break-in, I had GM windows and doors come out and installed 2 new doors. I should have had this done when I had the impact windows done, but I didn't. So today, they're over here putting in this beautiful new door for me in the front, and they'll be putting in a beautiful patio door in the back. They're both impact doors, and they're both going to be secure during a hurricane and also day-to-day use. The benefits of having impact windows and doors not only are going to make you feel safe and secure in your home, but you're also going to get some sort of discounts with insurance. Insurance rates will go down considerably having these type of windows and doors installed in your home. Not to mention, you're not going to have to go around and install shutters before and take them down after. You're going to be safe right from the beginning. GM Windows and Doors is a family company. I highly recommend GM Windows and Doors for any window and door need in your home